guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, you're watching Life with MTK. So today is vlogmas number 7 and I will be taking you guys to work with me today. Today's vlog will be a day at work, so I will show you some things that I do at work. You will see when I'm on the job. Yeah, so when I get to the shop I will show you guys what's going on. And guys, remember, I'm on the journey to 1K and I would be so grateful if you guys could help me out to reach 1K for the Christmas. That would be an amazing gift, guys. So please remember to hit your subscribe buttons, turn on your post notifications, give me a thumbs up and share my videos. Please help me out to reach a 1K for this Christmas. That would be a great Christmas gift, guys. Amazing. Please help a girl out. Thank you. I am now at work, guys, and I'm going to do a rope twist braid, waist length, medium size. I will be using this olive oil moisturizer to put in her hair before I blow it out. I'm putting the hair in sections and applying the moisturizer as I go along. I'm using the Blue Magic Indian hemp to oil her scalp now. I will be using the 3X Ghana pre-stretch braid. So at this point I am 3/4 way in and almost ready to get lunch. So I ordered buffalo chicken and fried rice with some raw vegetables. I'm finished twisting now and just trimming off the extra ends. It's pretty.
It's pretty.
Yes.
Let's go to hot water.
Yes, I'm going to hot water the hair.
Yes. It's the cheese.
I am now sectioning the hair to put it in the hot water to get it smooth and nice. Yeah. So this is the finished look. Just leave your comments and tell me what you think, and you can hit me up anytime to get your hair braided or any other style that you want. So guys, the next clip that you will see will be at home. I think I want to switch. Me a wee light person. Me? How it feels. Why? Do me run one extension? Me run one extension, you talk. You're too craving. Yeah, I'm too much. Yeah, I'm too much, man. Watch him. Like you think a man in you eat breakfast at night. You eating breakfast for dessert? So that means you eat your breakfast from now. You give some. Really? Man, wait 20 times you can't wake up a morning. Can't wake up. Stay there. Yes, you better full your belly now and make sure it's still full of morning. No, not getting anything. I hear you. Stop it. That's a lie. That's a lie. Stop it. You're too craving. 6 egg me buy, sir. You can't yam 3 egg one time out of 6. You didn't tell me if you buy no more. Me just tell us me buy that. I mean, you know, you want so much egg one time. Oh God, craving. Watch him. Licking 10 finger. Hey. You just rest. You go through your teeth. Oh my God. You're not easy at all. Alright, sir. Tomorrow you get your rest. Yeah, man. Me and you can have a little drink one time. Don't compare. Oh, compare. Sell down the road. I go beer and come here now, here. We have a drink.
Well, it's like a short drink, not narrow.
So guys, the vlog ends here for today. What she said when you happy, yes. Yeah, so we have a drink before we go with bed, isn't it? Yep. Hey boy, Jeffrey.
You got it. You got it. You got it, girl. You got it.
Right. So guys, just do the right thing. Hit your subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. Give me a thumbs up. And leave your comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.